I think the first thing you have to learn is that you have to figure out what your inventory of applications are. I mean, this has been one of the issues, and as we, in the Air Force, we have lots of bases. We have to go to every base to figure out what's actually there. And we find, of course, there's some duplicative stuff which has to be rationalized out. But then again, when you look at the duplicative stuff, and when we start talking about migration to a cloud, we have to do some engineering analysis. And this has been the keystone of what we have to do, because you just can't move something to a cloud without looking at, is it ready to move to a cloud? Do I have to totally modify that system? Do I have to know all the interfaces that are associated with it? Because some of those interfaces may be to other systems, and therefore, if they're in other systems and other clouds, you're going to pay a penalty for delays as well as in comm costs when you start moving things between clouds.
Sure.
And so people have to understand that. But then, as we do the cost model and we do the mission analysis model, the question is, where's the user base sitting, part of this engineering analysis? What is their effect? And the big thing is, do I have to move it at some point in time to another cloud because of a threat vector?
Mm-hmm.
Now, on top of all that, we've now determined that we need to look at the DevOps model. Because we thought it's easy to say, oh, I'm going to migrate things.
Yeah,
well,
right.
Not easy.
Well, yeah, you don't want to just move things over old
Right.
stuff. You'd
And
like
some
to
peop-
modernize along the way.
And some people just want to move stuff.
Yeah.
And we started talking about containers now into should we be using containers or should we not? And if you start using containers, you really will change the DevOps model across the board. And so there's a question of, well, is this migration going to change how we actually move and do development efforts? And then how fast can we move? And as AJ said, provisioning is fast.
Yeah.
So provisioning-wise for a DevOps model means I put it out there, I do development in the same area, I test it, and then all of a sudden I push it to production. These guys aren't used to that.
Yeah.